Hold me till I scream for air breathe and watch me over.
Black girl, if you a 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 black girl, do your thing, do your thing.
Hey Queens and Kings, welcome back and thank you guys so much for watching as well as clicking on today's video. So I know you guys like, Val, why are you in the closet? Because I pretty much want to show you guys my closet, my oasis, since the big change has happened in my life, and show you guys pretty much how I have it styled now, because you know I'm doing a lot of bougie luxury hauls. I'm getting a lot of fashion decor, and I pretty much show you guys how I styled it and all, and just bring you guys a little bit more into my world. So if you're a new Queen or King here, just stopping by, hello, my name is Valerie. Over here I do all things home decor as well as lifestyle vlogs and a little bit of dibble dabble into the bougie luxury. And if you don't know what bougie luxury is, it's basically a word that I made up for designer replicas and dupes, or whatever you want to call it. So anyways, but before we actually jump into this tour, we're gonna go back into time to pretty much show you guys how the closet look within the year mark that is coming up to, because November the 1st will make a year that I've been into this apartment, and I don't think I ever show you guys a closet tour since we've been in here. I don't know, but you guys know I'm also pretty much a little queen for making over closet. I will actually link all those videos down in the description box, so I'll show you guys pretty much and give you guys idea of how you probably can decorate your closet, style your closet, or make your closet a little function for you. I will leave every one of those videos down below. But anyways, Queens and King, let's jump into it. Let me stop the rambling and let's go back into that. All right, Queens and Kings, so this is basically 2021 November the 1st when we first moved in. This is pretty much how the closet was laid out, the structure of it and everything. And remember, Dre was here too, so therefore I had to fit my stuff as well as his stuff in this closet. Now I think I did pretty good, as you all can see here. Sorry about the clip. This area where there's no clothes or shoes and items at, that's pretty much what Dre's stuff was housed at, and this is how we had to work it out. So it was working out, but I needed a little bit more space because, as you guys will see farther into the video, that I have a lot of stuff to the point that it just needed its own place. So because I pretty much got stuff up under the cabinets, stuff in the bathroom and things like that, so I was like, okay, let me critique this to make it a little bit more function. And then I had clothes that supposed to be hung up that was fold up, so I needed to get those out of the drawer. So I came down to this last little idea here. I was like, okay, I could do this. I was gonna make this portion here like for the dresses and everything, because I don't have too many of those. And this side, on the opposite side of this like shelf, was gonna be pants and skirts, and over here was gonna be shoes and stuff. But I was like, no, that's not gonna work. I need to do something else. So here we go. All right, Queens and Kings, so before I jump into the video, I basically just want to show you guys pretty much how the closet look with the lights off. As you guys see, these lights here are actually motion lights here that I got from Amazon, and pretty much it does help me at nighttime when I need to use the bathroom, because if you're new here, my bathroom and my closet is right here together, so I have to come through the bathroom to get to my closet. So yeah, but whenever time it feel motion here, I don't know how it works, those lights come on. So now let's jump into this video with the lights on. Okay, y'all, so this is pretty much the entrance of the closet, and as you all see, I do have some curtains. I think these curtains are like 96 inches that I got from Amazon. I had doors here, but I took those doors off because they kept falling off, and it just a hassle of kept putting them back on and off and then coming off. But anyway, so here is an overview of the closet, how I'll look. Pretty much everything that I have in here I already had when we was living in the 4-bedroom, and I'll tell you about anything else that is pretty much new. Okay, all right, so as you all see, I do have a little furry rug here. Sometimes I do have like a stool here so I can sit down here. Well, pretty much when I'm recording, I have like a little stool that I can actually sit on, but for video purpose I move because I don't want to be tripping over nothing while I'm coming up in here. So on this side of the wall here, coming up here, I do have this little print that my babies done made for me. So that stays there for now in case I need some more room. Then I'm gonna have to move it out of the way and find somewhere else to put it. But here I have my perfume wall, pretty much where I have all my perfumes and stuff like that. Some of them are actually luxury, some of them is not, some of them is Avon, some of them is from Victoria's Secret, some of them is just unknown brands that is pretty much just smell so good. So that's pretty much why I have them. But this is pretty much what I have. I'm still collecting. I am still collecting. Trust and believe I am. And up here is pretty much where I'm going to start my hat collection, because I'm into the baseball caps, trucker caps, or whatever you want to call them. I don't know why, but I'm into it. It's a thing for me now. Now up here is pretty much all the replicas videos pretty much I have done within the past month, I would say. Yeah, a lot, right? And there's plenty more to come, so you guys stay tuned if you want to get your hands on some bougie luxury for the low. But anyway, so moving on down here is pretty much where I house my clothes at, as well as some more shoes. Mostly like tennis shoes and stuff is down there, as well as some boots. But down here to the lower level here is pretty much pants, jeans, and skirts. That's the bottoms pretty much. That's how I have that organized. And up here is the top. So obviously it's shirts, blouse, sweaters, dresses, and belts. I think also that's over there in the corner. Yeah, excuse Andre in the background. So what I try to do is use all shades of same color hangers. I do like that look. It does give it a more form and organized look to me, even though right now it's kind of look a little chaos for this hanger. So I can't blame Dre, because I blame him in a minute, but you guys know the story. So I can't blame him. But anyways, yeah, so that's pretty much how I have that. And like I said, with the gray hangers and stuff, I do have more of like the plastic ones down here. Those from Walmart, and the velvet ones from Amazon. So yeah. I also have this chandelier before I actually forget. This is a DIY that I made when we first moved into this apartment. Any chandelier that's pretty much in my house, I made it, or I bought it from somewhere else and put it up in the ceiling to make it look like it pretty much came in the apartment. Okay, so yeah. Now this is my favorite part, of course. This is my favorite part of the closet. Oh my God, do y'all hear that? That is rain. It is storming outside. Listen. Wow, that's crazy. But anyways, before I get into my little boutique area, over here is basically where I house all my jewelry and stuff like that, as well as some more perfumes where I do collaborate. And I am affiliated with Dossier, so therefore, you know, I pretty much get some just about monthly. And I do have some more coming in though, but right now this is what I have, and I will leave a link down below so in case you guys want to get your hands on some, you see something that you like. But I do recommend this one here. This cherry here, it is a Tom Ford dupe, baby. That is the one, 2, 3, and 4. Listen, she is her, girl, all of that. Get that one there. I promise you, you will love it. Anybody who smell you gonna want to know what you have on, because like I said once before, I get so many compliments when I wear that, and people physically come and ask me what I have on. So I would recommend that all day. But anyways, like I said, I have my jewelry over here. So pretty much I have like bracelets up here, and down here is necklace and some big hoops earrings that I pretty much don't even wear. No, I don't even wear those at all though. But yeah, but over here to my little favorite area that I like styling and designing is pretty much the boutique area. Isn't she cute? I still want to make some critiques to her. Pretty much I want to do like color coordinated. That's pretty much what I'm going for in the future. But right now this is what I have, and I do still like how she looked though. But I know it's going to be some changes, because like I said, I have more collaborations pretty much coming up very soon. So you guys want to check those out, come back, so therefore you get your hands on a discount, because they are for the low. But anyways, as you all can see here, I have this little tower here of purses, and then down there is just shoes to run into this little cubicle here. And there go another towel. Those towels came from IKEA. I have them for probably about 6 years, because Andre's 6 years, about that long. Yes. And then here is a cube here, little 6 cubicle I got that from Lowe's along with these little shelves here as well. Like, I think I'm gonna have to put another shelf up there because like I said, more is coming and I'm gonna need more room and more space. And as you all can see, I have a lot of stuff. This queen definitely have a lot of stuff that I really need to get into wearing because some of this stuff is brand spanking new. Like, those are new. I just did a collaboration with those Chanel sneakers. Those heels, they're a new. A lot of the heels came from X Fashion and stuff like that. That's when I stayed back home. That's like the fashion store that we have, like X Fashion, Kato's, and stuff like that. That's on the store we have. We didn't have like what we have up here in Orlando, the malls and all that. But anyways, that's where a lot of those shoes came from there. I think those are Shoe Land. Those are Fashion Nova. These are Amazon. And this bag is Teddy Blake. That is just a Chanel dupe, for show dupe. I think my husband bought that for me. This here bag here came from Target. This one here came from Zara, which is a Bottega dupe. Chanel dupe. Dre bought those. This here is a real Louis Vuitton bag. This here is the Bottega dupe as well. Like, that should be, but that one there came from a sponsor video, which is Fashion Kits. That is dupe, YSL, Louis Vuitton, and my Gucci bags and belts and scarves and stuff up there. But that scarf did come from Amazon. So right here is pretty much where I have my sunglasses and everything at. Some of them designer dupes and some of them not. They're just regular sunglasses and things like that. Like these Chanel's, those are just regular sunglasses, regular, what are they called? Gucci. But those came from Amazon and just regular, whatever the case may be. So yeah, and back here I just have my brush holders and things back there, and that's supposed to be a soap pump, but I end up breaking the little pump part, and now it's a vase. Yeah, I gotta get my coins out of some kind of way. But anyways, moving on down here, I have all the makeup that I actually own, as well as some jewelry too as well. These here is basically what I have my stud earrings and things in, because I am a stud wearer. I don't really care for too much for the big ones when I just show you guys. No, maybe with a hat or something, depending on how I'm trying to style it. But here is some rings and stuff like that, my wedding bands and bracelets and stuff like that, which I'm just gonna keep. Pretty much. I shouldn't go wood. But back here is some watches, all the watches that I own and things like that, and all my makeup palettes and stuff. So a good way that I was able to house my makeup palette is using paper napkin holders from the Dollar Tree. A quick hack. Oh, I thought it was about to fall. About to fall. But in here is all my lippies and things like that, lipsticks and stuff. Lipsticks. This is by Missy Lynn, as well as this palette here, where she came out with this, you know, a well-known YouTuber. So I was showing my way of support. And down here for the last shelf here is basically where I have nothing but the last little few of Bath and Body Works mists that I do have, that I have not gave to Jasmine, or she have not came in here and took over. And then these little holders here are actually toothbrush and toothpaste holders. I got those from Home Goods, and you see what's in them now. So yeah. Now this little cute little box here is from, you see, Roses Forever. I did a collaboration with them. I think this is about a year old, and they roses really do last that long. So check them out, I promise you. But I also decided to use the part that the little drawer that come out of here. I decided to put some makeup brushes in there. And then I got some makeup brushes down there. So it's crazy that I have all this stuff and I pretty much don't use it as much. But, you know, I'm trying to get back into my little fashion girl world. So, yeah. But that is pretty much my closet, Queens and Kings. And then back here, just, those are clutches, extra bags and stuff. So, yeah. After a while, I'm going to have to move those boxes, downsize those boxes, stack them on in each other, some ordinary for to have some room. But oh well, until then, this is what we have. So what do you Queens and Kings think? Do you guys like my little oasis? So when I do want to film, I just close my curtains and stuff like that. I take the little chains off, which I think is so cute and adorable. You guys know it got to be some glam somewhere. Y'all forget the kids in the background, child. They would not go to their own room. Jesus Christ. But yeah, this is my Oasis, Queens Kings. Y'all, it's still pouring down. That's crazy. But it rained like that all the time here in Florida. All the time. Y'all can have some of this rain. Y'all really can. Because, baby, this is ridiculous. This is every day of the damn week. But anyways, Queens and Kings, that is going to be it for this closet tour. If you all enjoyed it, you guys like it, you like how I styled it, you guys want to give me a little pointers, I'm up for it. I am up for it. But I can't do too much, but help me with organizing this stuff here like crazy. Because I want to do color coordinated. So, yeah. But anyways, it's time for me to go because the kids knocking on the door. That means this is over with. But if you guys enjoy, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will talk to you, Queens and Keys, in the next one. You guys continue to be royal. And remember, your crowd may tilt, but a damn show won't fall. Bye-bye.